led by Honorable ND Apiakubi, any lawyer or any giant, emu esankokopemu ewo court. Efa the ongoing trial the Republic vs. wontumi and Akonta mining eno. Nene abra omkopemu o court no, and after court hearing no, wontumi lawyers eje bere ede nsem etudwa ana etu media no enim. Nene ana omde nsem bere na etudwa se courtroom ho no nene omhye court no ese application for stay a oni be dom court no ema court no ebotugu ye no omoko court of appeal enso ede application for stay no akodom court of appeal she court of appeal sen ko onhwe na ensema omode abeto no onfa ni mu aye emra nti no mo hye court no se aka court no ebetwentwen case no so until say application for stay omde akodom court of appeal no court of appeal ede ni mu aye ebeba na judge no otena case no so etie chama wontumi lawyers anu di sem na oseti Attorney General so anu di sem na judge no etie chama wontumi lawyers ene Attorney General anu di sem ewie no ana ohye se ana oye se case no omobeko so enti okache chama wontumi lawyers se nyame adoma enkosi 5th May na dancefo a chama wontumi lawyers ebeba abedi adanse ama accused persons no ene omo witness statement no de aba bedom court no na nyame adoma on the 7th May omasa aba court wo na omabeye ade efe ni case management na busua penifo a chama wontumi lawyers edomba kopi mu court na omabekodi adanse ama accused persons no omudin anamde ba betudwa na penifo akukudam enum omo enkwa ne da screen so no Kwabena Ochre Dakum, Francis Owusu Achao, Gomashi Wisdom Edem, Dominic Nitu, former defense minister, Anna George Mleku Duka, the Penifoe, Kukuna Numwe, and then it says a chama to me lawyers, a day omba kupimu or court, na omo akodi adanse ama accused person no. Odi enjebre, yenkoti lawyer and the Apiakubi. Abra orden sem no etudwa in English na we no lawyer hinijan enso ebechichi mu ewotwi yanjebre yenti nsem a ene chama wontumi lawyers en copy mu court no the court so
as discussed in the morning. The business of the day was to inform the court of the pendency of the repeat application for orders to stay proceedings. Indeed, the court was so informed, and counsel argued for a stay pending the determination of the stay. It was the decision of the court that, notwithstanding the pendency of the repeat application, they will continue with the case, save that they will allow for time for us to file our witness statements. So the court adjourned to the 7th of May in expectation that we will file our witness statement on or before the 5th of May. So the court has adjourned the hearing, and we will come back on the 7th to conduct the case management. It is our belief and hope that by such time a decision on our repeat application will have come, and whether or not the court has jurisdiction to continue or not would have been determined. So we'll come back on the 7th to take the CMC. So I'll leave it to Lawyer Hinijan to also give you the.
And back court na ma court no enya nintie se application for stay at the bedroom court court no anya ntum no ye court of appeal e de sa application na court of appeal so se onhwe na ontie ya asem na onfa ne mu ayemra ti na ye ma court no ehun se enam se ye tu anamon e court of appeal ntie be ya enka ontwentwen so ekosi court of appeal edi na no bisem first stay no ho ebeba na judge no etie nsem a kan ye nyina etie ni attorney general so kan ye e na oye ne se asem no yebekoso enti wa ma akwanya se enkosi me bosome de to so num de na dansefo ayen yebe from na omo bedi adanse de ama accused persons no no mo witness statement ye de abedom eye court no na on the 7th of May no yaba court na yaba be ye na friend case management na ye hu se ye ko yenim no sen e na ye be ko no na se ne lawyer kan ne se ye hwe nim se Andrew Sabre no ebia na court of appeal dia de kodom mo se enkomo na ye stay eye proceedings no na ebia omo de omo anu disem anase omo mu aye e de ababonte na judge no ahyebo se the Free Court of Appeal aye beba bia no so o de beye ejuma enti ye ba court anani esi ene e court no
conversation surrounding the Attorney General and Office of the Special Prosecutor, which some feels there is a political motivation somewhere, and then some also are referring to Act 959 with regards to the fact that the OSP is mandated to proceed on prosecutions. I mean, as someone who has made such some statement before that you wish that the fourth public, anyone who has embezzled or caused financial loss to the government, be prosecuted. And as a lawyer, I mean, what do you have to say about this whole thing?
Well, it is unfortunate that we find this disagreement between the OSP and the Attorney General. And I want to be very practical, not within the legal realm, but the scenario being created is like a woman who gives birth to a child, and the woman says that apply to me as a woman that you want to be my child, and that you will give me the permission to call you my mother. That is what it is. When the Attorney General himself, and I'm talking about the office, has sponsored the enactment and has even brought out the legislative instrument to facilitate the operation of the Act of Parliament, the same person turns around to say that you should come to me for permission to do what I have told you to do. And indeed, what was the intention of those enactments? Was it out of fear or out of joke that he sponsored the legislation? You had intention of getting Attorney General OSP do something. So it was within your power and your interest to promote those legislation. Now, the intention was that I am overwhelmed with maybe work, and I need to create a specialized office to handle this part of criminal proceedings. So I am bringing this to Parliament, for Parliament to help me create that office. Create that office for what? Create that office to do A, B, C, D. And those are specified in the law. When Parliament, pursuant to your prompting, has enacted this legislation to empower the OSP to do the prosecution in respect of corruption and corruption-related offences, you come to court and say that you need my fiat or my permission to be able to do the job that I have given to you. You see, that is why I liken it to the situation of a mother giving birth to a baby and wanting the baby to apply to the mother for permission to call mother. You see, so I think that it is a clash of egos, and it is very unnecessary. But be it as it has been, we have different interpretations by different lawyers, even if you think you like, and even I'm sure that some judges may have different opinions. That is why there was that ruling that the court, that Attorney General's permission is necessary for OSP to operate. Granted that, and again, there was a further order that I consider it as an arbiter, because it was not before the judge to make provision as to the state or the status of cases being prosecuted by Attorney General. And don't forget, the High Court is of the same concurrent jurisdiction as other High Courts. So assuming the OSP is prosecuting the case in another High Court, and this order comes that all of them must submit to the Attorney General, the court that made that pronouncement has no jurisdiction to impeach the sister High Courts. So how about if another High Court says that, no, I, upon my ruling, upon understanding of the law, you should continue as OSP to prosecute your cases. Then we have legal chaos. The solution is this. When we have different people, preferring different interpretations to law and even the Constitution, it is only the Supreme Court that has power and mandate to show the direction by way of interpreting how the law should operate. In any case, if there is an application to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court gives a direction that whether or not by promulgating these laws, there is a presumption of the grant of permission, then there's no need for further application for permission to be granted. At least that will bring sanity into the legal realm.
I mean, on
why?
Yes, my brother.
Oman yen kind of crack.
Are they?
Sao man to me. Yen kind of crack. Butrubujo. Asante for so be you know. Obeshin so.
Why shit?
Why shit?
The two.
Now we you know. You who said to be a
you
know. And I said, oh yes, so.
You said to
be a you who said,
oh shit.
Oh yes. Assemble again. ABS pain. And I didn't see that. Oman Penny J. Kufo. Neba Penny Chief Kufo. Businessman, intellectual, professional. Consortium of banks. And we engage you editor.
African regent.
Jumedia NDC 40D Papa Kufu Omaimano. Nebano, if any chief Kufu
Hotel Wawa.